guys, and welcome back to my channel. Sorry for the same hat and outfit hout. I cannot talk today, guys, but yeah, I'm trying to film some videos because next week I'm gonna be busy and I won't have time. But today's video is going to be my luxury wish list video. I did mention to you guys that I was gonna do this video, and yeah, there's quite a few items on my luxury wish list. They're not all gonna happen. I don't know if I told you guys this, but I am getting married in 2023. Yes, I'm an engaged woman. And yeah, I have to save my money. I have to get a house and all that. So, I mean, not all of these will happen. Maybe some. Who knows? Maybe I will win the lottery and be able to buy everything for myself. But, slim chance. But I just wanted to share this with you guys because I always love watching these kinds of videos, and I mean, my luxury wish list never gets smaller. It's always getting bigger, and I'm just finding things that I love and I just want to buy, but I can't sometimes. So that's why it's called a wish list. You can wish for the item all you want. Getting it is a different story. It is harder unless you're a millionaire. I am not. Good for you guys who are out there, but I'm not. And yeah, anyway, this is my 2022 luxury wish list, and let's get right into this video. Oh, I've been really loving Jacquemus, so my wish list for them, I have 5 items from them that I want. I'm gonna show you pictures on the screen of what the item that I'm specifically talking about that I want. But the first item on my Jacquemus wish list is the Chiquitito. Okay, see, I cannot talk today. So the first item, take two, is La Chiquito Long. So I want to say in October I did order this bag and it came, and I don't know if it was the color or not, but it was the orange one. I'll put it on the screen somewhere. And I wasn't fond of it. I don't know what it was. When I sent it back, it took me a few months and I just kept seeing it everywhere. And I was like, why did I send that bag back? Like, I really miss it and it's cute. And yeah, I want it again. And I think it was the color that threw me off, honestly. So I'm thinking of getting it in the green color. I'm trying to diversitize, is that the right word, my handbag collection and make it more fun. Since I already have the black La Gran Bambino bag, I want something fun. I want a fun color, so I'm thinking of the green or the white, I'm not sure, or the black, but I'm leaning more towards the green because it is a fun pop of color, and I am a neutral kind of person when it comes to wardrobe. So yeah, that is my first item that I want from Jacquemus. My second item is La Chiquito. That is the micro bag, literally like the size of my hand probably, and I just really think that bag is fun. Yes, it is expensive for not fitting anything in the bag, but I am going on a trip in August to Italy to plan my wedding because we're gonna have it in Italy. So I just thought that that bag would be so cute to bring around because literally when I'm there, I don't use my phone that much. I just bring like a couple cards, some cash, chapstick, hair tie, and that's all I really need when I'm there. So I just think that bag would be really cute on that trip, and I really want it. So yeah, that is my second item on my Jacquemus wish list. And I think I want to get the brown one with the white stitching. I just think that's so cute. So my third item from Jacquemus that I really want, and I haven't stopped thinking about it honestly, is called the Le Moyen Montaigne Chiquito Noed. I'm probably really butchering that name, but I just love the clasp in the front. I just think it gives such like a unique look, and I did see it on sale on Essence and I'm like so tempted to buy it. I think it retails for like, last time I seen it on the Jacquemus site, it was like $900, which is insane. I think on Essence, I think for like $600. insane, so I might get it because that's like saving a bunch of money that I can buy another bag with. And yeah, so I might get it. You might see an unboxing soon. But yeah, that is the third bag that I want from Jacquemus. Okay, my fourth Jacquemus wishes item is the beach bag. I don't know the exact name, but I'll put a picture on the screen. I just think it's so cute, and yeah, I really like it. I like the straw on it. I like the colors that it comes in. I think it comes in pink, yellow, and one more color, but I can't remember. And I just really like that bag, and it would be really nice to bring with me on my vacation. So I don't know if I want to get it though. It's like a 50-50 for me. I love it, but I don't love it because then I can't use it all year. It's like more of like it's like a beach bag, so you spend that kind of money for just using it for a couple months. I'm not sure. So this is like the bottom item on my wish list. The last item on my Jacquemus wish list is the Jacquemus, it's like a Jacquemus shirt. It's all white and it has pink writing on the back, all over on the back and then on the front. And I just thought it would be really cute for the summertime if I get like a oversized size. I can wear it with some slides or some sneakers when it gets warmer where I live. And yeah, that is my Jacquemus wish list. And yeah, we're gonna move on to the next brand. So now we're gonna move to Louis Vuitton. So Louis Vuitton, I have such a big wish list from them. I just did one item because I really miss this bag. I did sell it and plan on getting it in Italy because of the VAT refunds, how much money you could save on it, and it is the Louis Vuitton bum bag. Right now, the price went up crazy high. I think it retails for $2,023 and I bought it for like $1,500. So went up quite a bit. I'm gonna get that in Italy because I really miss that bag and it just goes with everything and I really miss using it. It's such an easy bag and it just looks good with everything. So yeah, I think I might have to get that one. So the third brand is Gucci. Yeah, I haven't bought anything from Gucci in a really long time and I would love to have the Mini Marmont camera bag. I don't know what it is. I tried it on in store like a month ago and I just really fell in love with it. I think it's such a cute bag and I'm realizing that I'm getting into really small bags lately instead of my usual like medium-sized big bags. Did the phone test if it would fit my phone and it does, and I just think it's really cute and it comes in so many different colors. I don't know if I want it in the black, white, or red, so I'm still deciding. Most likely gonna go for the white, honestly. I just think the gold with the white is so beautiful, and the heart on the back, I mean, some people hate this heart on the back of the bag, but I just think it is so adorable and it makes me happy looking at it. So I really want to get that bag. That is on my wish list and the only thing from my wish list for Gucci. Okay, so now I have three more brands that are on my wish list, and I'm gonna save the best for last. But the other brand that I would love to get stuff from is Chanel. Nothing crazy. I cannot afford a Chanel jumbo yet, but I would love to have or get or buy the Chanel Wallet on Chain. I just think it's such a beautiful bag, but I want the boy version. I mean, I just think it is so edgy and I always really kind of like the boy more than the classic. Yeah, I would want it gold hardware, black, definitely. Wallet on Chain. Oh, that's a dream bag, man. And also I would love to buy the card holder, but the zip around one. I love that and I love the look of it, and I want it in pebbled leather, black with gold hardware. And I always love that wallet. So the next brand is Dior. So I've never bought anything from Dior and I'm just wanting to buy something from Dior. I don't know what it is, but the one thing that I really want is called the Dior saddle card holder. I'll put it on the screen. I just think the card holder is so cute and it's such a classic. And what I do is when I'm getting into a brand, I buy like a small leather good to see the quality, to see how I like the brand, and all that fun stuff. So I think that's a perfect starter piece for me. The one thing and only thing on my wish list from them, because I just think it's so cute and I love the hardware on it. It is adorable and the shape of it is really unique too. So yeah, that is the only thing on my Dior wish list. Last brand, the best brand of all, is Cartier. So I literally love Cartier so much. I own 2 rings from them, the Love thicker and then the smaller Love ring, and I love these rings so much. And I would love to add the small Justin Clue nail ring. I tried that ring on a month ago in store and I just fell in love with it, and it was before the price increase. I didn't get it. I kind of regret it, but when the time is right, it will be perfect, and I would just love to have that ring. I want to put it on my pointer finger, and yeah, I just really like the way the ring looks, and I love the way it looked on my hand with my 2 other rings. So we'll see about that, but it's definitely on my wish list. So the second thing for my Cartier wish list is the Cartier Love ring, but in white gold. I want to like stack it on top of my other 2 rings. I just think it would look really nice. I've seen some pictures on Instagram of people stacking the rings with like the different golds, like the white gold and the yellow gold together, and it just looks really nice. So, okay, so my final wish list item from Cartier is the small Love bracelet, or the thicker one. The thicker one I think goes for like $6,800, which is insane, but the smaller one I think goes around $4,000, and I just always loved the Love bracelets. I honestly think I would like the smaller version instead of the thicker version. I did try on the thicker version and I just thought it was too big for my wrist and just looked way too like flashy like, but I think I'll like the smaller version because it's more subtle and thinner, and I would just love to have that. I've always loved it. It's always a dream of mine to own a Love bracelet, so we'll see about that. That is my 2022 luxury wish list. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what kind of items on your wish list in the comments down below. I would love to know. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or want to say hi or anything, leave them down in the comments. I always love your comments. They're so sweet and they just make my day and make me so happy. And if you're not following me on Instagram, I'll put my name on the screen. Please go follow me. And yeah, I hope you have a great rest of your day or night wherever in the world, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.